Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. If you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or someone who's serious about personal and professional growth, you've come to the right place. Because let's face it, navigating the business world can be overwhelming, and sometimes you need more than just advice. You need the right tools, actionable insights, and a community that understands your challenges and is committed to helping you succeed. This channel is about helping you take your business and mindset to the next level. We provide practical and actionable strategies and powerful tips you can apply today to see real results. Our goal is simple: to empower you with the tools you need to thrive. That's why we also have the Growth X Club, a new free community for ambitious entrepreneurs and business owners. As a member of this club, you'll have access to James, our AI assistant, for personalized support, including writing emails, summarizing articles, creating templates, helping you brainstorm new ideas, and answering your questions about virtually anything you can think of. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to your success. You'll also gain full access to our extensive resource library, packed with insights designed to help drive your business forward. And more exclusives are on the way, including premium resources like white papers, ebooks, and statistical reports. Visit Tech Help Canada to join the Growth X Club for free today. Website link is in the description, or just Google us for quick access. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.